All right, step 7 is your communications plan. It's really pivotal that we're able to communicate quickly with all members of the security team without disrupting a service. To this end, we may have primary, secondary, contingency, and emergency methods of communication. So an example, our primary method of communication will be our cool clandestine little radios for instant communication and discreet reporting. Our secondary one would be a runner, so that if somebody needs something, you can send a runner or you just go tell that person or get that person. A third one could be text communication. So everyone's already shared text numbers and has a real quick way that you can text somebody. And fourth could be an announcement made from the audio video booth. You may also want to craft your communications plan for the different scenarios that you may encounter. So for instance, if you have a kid who is having a real hard time, very upset, well, just text the parents and you've already gotten their phone number there at the kids area. And you can also report to the team leader so that the team leader can maybe go and get somebody, or tell the communications booth to flash up the kid's number that's on their tag, whatever your access control system is for the kids. So during service, a number pops up at the bottom and it says, hey, kid with Alpha 6, 38-2 or whatever, and they can look at them like, oh no, that's our tag, and they get up and they go help the kids. So that's how some churches will facilitate this. So a different communications plan that'll allow that. Furthermore, if there's some type of a medical emergency with a kid, well, you can immediately call 911 and make sure you can radio in for the medic that's sitting in service to come in, and also go ahead and text the parent. So you got all three of those things happen really, really quickly. And you can develop an SOP for what you do with that. But in short, you need a quick communications plan for folks. If all of the sudden somebody starts shooting up a place in the west wing of the church, whoever's the security team member over there can immediately say, shooter west wing, and then they can be able to respond. And it's just that quick radio command. Anyway, you do need a communications plan. It should be fast, consistent, and not allow for upsetting people around or disrupting the service. Communications plan. Let's get it knocked out. And now it's time for step 8. Let's do it.